Yeah, girl, you know what's up. Ooh, say what, say what, say what. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. Me and my people.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm gonna cook some liver. Here baby boy in the background coughing and stuff, poor thing. But I'm gonna try to make some liver, guys. I never make liver from the day I born, but it's something that I remember when I was younger. My mom and my aunt usually make it for me, and it was really good. I think I need to learn how to make it for myself and eat it at least once or twice a month because my iron is very low. Like around that time of the month, I feel like I'm dying. I feel like I like low-key can't move, like it's so low in energy. Like only thing left for me to do is pass out, and that is not safe. That can't be safe, you know. I have to be strong for myself and for baby boy, right? So I have to start implementing stuff in my diet to make my iron levels go up, you know, blood counts and all of that stuff. And liver definitely is one of those things. I actually drank some beets too. I started drinking beets and all of that. So, you know, your girl is trying. So let's go get into this video, or, you know, clips of me attempting to make the liver. I did ask mommy though to give me some pointers on how to make it. So she sent a voice note, and I'm just gonna follow the voice note, yeah, and hope for the best. So let's get into it.
I say liver. Sometimes some of them are going to go whatever it is. You clean up it, whatever it is, you clean up. You clean it up, you wash it off properly. You mix it off with vinegar if you have lime juice and stuff there. Alright, so after that, now you throw in your season. Cut up everything, your tomato, your onion, pepper, sweet pepper, and and so after dice up some Irish thing in it. And slice up on carrots, yeah. Mix up all of them then. Mix up them, put in your powder seasoning, your all-purpose. Irish chicken. You have to put no salt in it, like how you put in your powder seasoning. Paprika. Whatever like a powder seasoning have. Stay there. Marinate. And half hour. Cover it up. Marinate. If you have to season overnight and cook it tomorrow even better. And make it touch it on water, turn on the fire.
Guys, I started eating it. My bad. So my take on it, it's not something that I would eat on a regular. I think it had a better taste to it. I don't know if the chicken liver tastes different from, I'm pretty sure it does taste different from the beef liver. Maybe I should have gotten the beef liver. I don't know I don't know if I like it. I don't know, guys. I really don't know. I'm gonna eat it though because I don't want to waste it and all of that, but it's not giving what I remember how it tastes back in the day. As I said, I feel like it was the beef liver, you know. It was the beef liver. I'm gonna ask my mom. I think it was the beef liver they used to cook. Why you have to behave like that? You want it on you, right? You just want it on you, right? Oh, that's what you wanted? You really love a camera. You really do love a camera, bro. You really love a camera. Guys, I want to just be real with you. That thing tasted so bad. I messed up. So when I asked my mom said it was the beef liver that they used to make for me when I was younger. And I'm like, that made perfect sense. Because like, it tastes bad. It just, the consistency was not good. That's not what I remembered. Yeah, guys, it's like I wasted like ingredients and seasoning. Excuse me. Boy. My sinus killing me, man. The pollen, oh my gosh. But I wasted ingredients and seasoning for that crap. Tell you the truth, guys, they have some stray cats outside my apartment complex, which I tend to feed here and there. I have a special love for cats, guys. I gave the whole pot of the liver to the cats. Just know the cats had a feast with that. Because me, baby love, never ever eat it. And I feel like I'm a person like this. If it don't taste good, it's not I feel like. I know this. If it don't taste good, like it's going to stay in the fridge and it's going to waste. So might as well I give it to the cats. Yeah, so just filling y'all in on what actually happened. So.
Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake and dance in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah.
Is that your bestie? I'm a ice boy, we all like Gretzky. I'm a actual, like bless me. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me.
Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake and dance in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah.
Is that your bestie? I'm a ice boy, we all like Gretzky. I'm an actual, like bless me. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me. Hey, how many hoes in this club? Is it just me and you, my love? I don't mean to call you no hoe. I just heard about the things that you do, my love. And you're just like me if it's true, my love. Hey, you can see right through my love. Hey, I see your waist shrunk, my love. Hey, you got some bass in the trunk, my love. Damn, how many hoes in this club? Is it really just me, my love?
Guys, I don't know how to turn it on. I press it and it's not turning on.
You have to want to red light and then
Not me cooking, not me cooking. Yes, whipping it. Yes. Put little meatballs and I put a little.
Actual, like bless me, hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me.
Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake and dance in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah.
Is that your bestie? I'm an ice boy, we all like Gretzky. I'm an actual, like bless me, hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me.
So guys, it's lunchtime and I am going to warm up my food with this here. It's one of them portable warmers that you just plug in the car and it warm up your food. You just give it like a good 20 minutes though, good 30 minutes, 20 minutes, and the food just warm and nice. Love that for me because I really don't like being around people. And this is just a nice little privacy, like a nice little peaceful moment for me. Pretty sure they have a break room at work. If they do, I don't know, and I would not and will never use it. So yeah, and I have a friend and she always say, I always say that I'm an introvert, and she's like, girl, you're not an introvert, you don't seem like an introvert to me. I'm like, because I like you, you're my friend, so you're gonna see a different side of me than everybody see. I feel like I do have a resting face and I can't help it. Whenever I have an issue, you're gonna see it on my face. My face can't hide. No matter how I try to pretend, my face will give me away any day. Any day my face will give me away. But guys, to be honest, I don't know where the vlog gonna go this week because I don't want to keep showing you all the same thing. Like how much of the same thing can I show you guys without it becoming repetitive? Like, it's the same thing we do every day. Same thing we do. It's like this, wake up in the morning, get baby boy ready, drop him off to daycare, go work, pick him up from daycare, go home, sometimes you take a little nap, feed him, bathe him, put him to bed. The same old things. every day, guys. I live a very mundane life, very simple, very bland. Eventually I'm hoping for better days and nicer things and more festiveness and all of that, but right now it's the same old stuff, and I don't want to like bore you guys by showing y'all the same things over and over. So I mean, this week vlog is gonna be a bit short, because what I realize is I don't, okay, not what I realize is what I want to do is not make the vlogs too long. I'm just starting back, so I'm trying to build a nice little momentum, get like people to actually want more. When you guys want more, I will give you more. I don't want to give y'all a whole long vlog, and then, you know, a lot of people attention span is a little short, and they might not sit and watch a long 20 something minutes vlog or 40 something minutes vlog, but a little 10 minutes they can get jiggy with that shit. Yeah, so I am going to end this vlog now and see if something nice or something interesting starts to happen. I will start another vlog with that, you know, take it in strides and steps. You feel me? Yeah, cool. I really hope that you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, I really do appreciate people who watch my video in its entirety. From the bottom of my heart, I really appreciate y'all. Believe you me. So go and bless upon yourself, go and big up on yourself, and I will catch you in the next one. Yeah, peace, one love, bye. Time today, Papa? Alright? Alright, we don't know, okay?
So